So you can see now, as you can see it inside, there is coffee which is stuck inside. So we need to clean it thoroughly, thoroughly, slowly, slowly, when you don't spoil the machine, as you know. So when you are cleaning it, you have to make sure that each coffee is removed, the dirt. I would like to show you something here. It's a coffee, but I would like to show it to you, and you see it yourself, which we talk about when we talk about the dirt of the coffee. I think you can see it inside here. It makes something like a coating. So whenever you grind the coffee inside, at times you hear the machine when it's not grinding very well. It makes a funny sound that comes out because of this coffee which are stuck inside. So cleaning the grinder, because there are different types of grinders, different. Okay. So we are removing the one which are stuck inside here, at times which you can't see. Okay. Now like this one, see it? It's a black thing. This one, I think they can see. Yeah. Now just imagine this coffee. It has burnt into black, stuck there for a long time. So the coffee that you get afterwards, what are you expecting to get? It will be burnt coffee. You will not enjoy the coffee after grinding it. That's why most of the times when you are giving out the coffee to our customers here, we make sure that we first test it before we give it out, so that we don't give coffees our customers and they complain that the coffee is not nice. And when you give someone something which is not good, what you don't like, shows that even you will not like it. So how would you give it out when even you don't like it? You can't give something that you don't even like also. Okay. So now we are making sure that we clean it thoroughly, and to keep this in mind, to keep our coffees so clean that even you are using coffee, it doesn't do what? This one. Okay. So you are not going to use the same technique when you're opening them and cleaning them. Even where coffee passes, can clean after grinded, it passes here. So we keep it also clean. Okay. Now we stand. So inside, as you can see, that coffee is at times is what? Is oily. So it brings oil, it leaves oil. So different coffees, they have different oils. So if you take long without cleaning it, those oils, they get stuck inside. So what are you expecting in return? The smell of those oils when they have got what? When they have got delayed. So how will you enjoy it? It will not look good. Okay. So why is it that one like that? So each question will be welcome. You can be putting in your questions. We will be giving you each and everything